So messy. I'm going to apply lip balm first. Hello! I'm in Korea now and this is my second last day. So I'm preparing to head out now and I want to do my makeup. So let's get started. For primer, I'm going to use this Nature Republic Triple Tone Up Cushion that I bought here. Looks like that. It's very pretty inside.
Comes with pink color, peach, and also like purple color. So this actually gives you like 3 of the benefits that can help to reduce redness and then yellow tones and also to brighten the skin tone.
Mix foundation. Foundation, I'm using this. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So this foundation has a very lightweight texture, so it doesn't feel like you have any foundation on. And then the coverage is light to medium, so it's a bit buildable, but it doesn't cover a lot. And the finishing is really very natural, so I can see why this foundation is so popular now. Using the Zoeva 104 buffer brush together. Blusher 3CE. Although I'm going to use this. I'm going to concentrate the powder on the T-zone area. And the leftover, just put on my cheeks. Today's palette. I haven't decided what kind of look I'm going to do. I just use what color that I think is nice. I'm going to use the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush. Take the color Hot Spot. Transition color. Okay, I'm going to use Juicy. Next, I'm going to take the Deluxe Crease Brush using the color Bing. Eyeliner. How to draw a natural eyeliner. Look into the mirror. Follow your lash line out. Then when you look up, you see like there's this awkward line there. So you just follow it along the lash line. If you have eyelids like mine, you have this issue that if you draw your eyeliner all the way inside, your eyes will feel like it's filled with eyeliner. So if you have like this kind of eyelids, I'll suggest that you draw to the middle first and then a very thin line across.
Or if you want to, you can just draw half. That way it won't look like your full eyelid is full of eyeliner.
Eyebrow Anastasia Beverly Hills. a nail tint that I saw on Instagram, and I went to buy it, and the lasting power is like literally the whole day. I don't need to care about my lips.